Welcome to our training series. I'm Erica from the 8 a.m. LawPay team. Today, we'll cover how your firm can use stored payment methods to securely save and manage client payment information. To get started, go to the left navigation bar and click Contacts. From here, you can either open an existing client's contact page or click Add Person to create a new contact. If you're looking for a stored payment method, scroll to the bottom right of the contact page. If none are saved, you'll see a message that says No Payment Methods Found. To add a new payment method, click Manage, and then select Save New Payment Method. From here, you can either manually enter payment details with your client's permission, or send a secure request card email so your client can enter their own details. To send a request card email, click the Request Payment Method button in the Save Payment Method page. Once your client enters their payment information, it will automatically show up under Stored Payment Methods on their contact page. You can also save a card for future payments while you enter it for an existing quick bill or invoice. And don't worry, all payment information is encrypted and protected, so your sensitive data stays private. Once a payment method is saved, it's ready to use for future invoices. When you're ready to collect payment for a case, head over to the client's contact page, click into the Stored Payment Methods section, and click the Charge button next to the saved method you'd like to use. Then, pick the invoice you'd like to charge from the list of invoices created for that contact or case. You can also navigate directly to the invoice you'd like to collect payment for. Click the money icon or record payment, then select the stored card type from the payment options shown on the screen. This makes it easy to quickly charge clients without having to re-enter payment information for every transaction. If you need to update a client's payment details, scroll to the Stored Payment Methods section of the contact page and click Manage. From here, you can update or remove existing payment methods at any time. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you gain a better understanding of stored payment methods. For more training videos, visit 8am.com/videos.